Hello, this is Netsuro. I'm with Janko. We're gonna kick
Boy,
some ass. And we're screen. We're gonna beat him one soon, dude.
oh
Y'all
yeah,
ready?
man.
Got that lag, but don't worry.
Fuck.
I see you try to aim the guys on top, and then you just hit the guys on the bottom. It's kind of funny. Dude, like, fuck you, cars. So annoying. Oh, shit.
Wait, hold on.
No, my cars. God damn it, JP. Jenko. Hello? Well, he's gone. I'm all alone now. He's back. Hi,
Yeah.
friend. I missed you. Oh, what the fuck, teleporter? Why are you there? Can you even get there? Oh, yeah. Okay. Magma worm. Oh, shit. He's right here.
I got you.
Oh, yeah. Mysterious vial. First item. Whoa, dude. You think we can even beat this guy? Where is he? Dude, that was so hard. Oh, shit. He didn't die. Where is he? Oh! Oh, my health. Rip. Oh, my health again! The fuck? Oh, my god, dude. Wait, how is he not dead? He gains health! Oh! No! Why? That's someone who's for me! You
What?
meanie. I don't like you. Dude, our first boss drops a fucking red. Like, that's dumb. God damn it. If you guys want to know why, like, sometimes I just, like, extend a word really long, it's because I hear myself echoing in the recording thing. And sometimes I get lost in my own fucking voice. Great. Oh yeah. ATG Mysol K Wing 1. So helpful.
Nice.
Yo, can you get me 1 gold? Thank you.
Okay.
You're very kind. Hope you know that.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
thanks.
bitter root. Oh shit. Oh lord. Alright. Come on, man. Come on, man. Ugh. Why? The fuck, man? You just shoot your rockets and kill everything, and I'm sitting here like, shoot my arrows. Why am I not damaging shit? There you go. Oh my god. Please die. Come on. Thank you. That's great.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Boom, 360 no scope.
Mm-hmm.
MLG may get wrecked. Fucking Shrek Swamp. You missed an enemy.
No.
How could you? How the fuck did you miss this enemy?
I don't know. I can't see them.
Neither could I, dude, but you're like, oh! Gonna make it, man. Yeah. Wait. Oh, I need a hopo feather. I didn't get a hopo feather, dude. Alright. Oh, wait. No! That was a chest!
Wait, what? What?
It was a 50!
You should have told me.
I told you! I was like, no, 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 no! And you were like, yes, 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 yes! I hate you.
Fine.
Yeah, you better fi. Because you didn't give me pie. Maybe you oh, God. Cause you're my best friend. I got my bow and arrow. Oh shit. Oh god. Great. Great.
Again?
Rip health. Rip health. Run. Na 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 na. Oh god. Please just go. What? Yeah. Teleportation, dude. Where is he? Cause you're the... Okay, good. Oh god, run. Oh. There he goes. Oh, shit. He's back. I wonder if he's gonna come to me now. Maybe he likes me. Yeah! You shouldn't have like... Oh, never mind. God damn it, dude.
Man.
Fucking 56 health. Yeah.
I'm gonna die. No.
Are you dead?
I'm almost dead.
Well, I got it. Oh, never mind. Dude! 3 health, come on. There we go. He didn't even drop shit. You have 2 reds!
What?
You have 2 reds!
How did
Wait, give me 1! Gosh! You are selfish. A lot.
help?
Yeah, you died. That's what you get. You ass.
Fine.
You're a donkey. You didn't have pie, dude. That's why you died.
I had like everyone, and I couldn't.
You had
have like a break.
2 reds, and you died with possession of 2 reds.
Yeah.
How do you do that?
How do I do that?
Yeah.
Just go to my dead body and we'll see.
Okay. I'm going. Oh, if I don't die. Because I'm lagging, because you have shitty connection. What's here? There's nothing here.
You see that blue one?
The blue one? Yeah, what does it do? Ooh.
Yeah, the missile.
Haha. Can't hit me. Should get that. Ooh. Yeah! It's useless. You are just bad, dude. I'm just kidding. You're better than me. You just got unlucky.
I guess.
I wasn't playing handy. Neither were you.
My God.
You weren't very handy this level. Your family will never know how you died. That's sad.
Well, there's a bunch of parents on my dead body. So.
Get fucked. Oh shit, dude. Boom. Wrecked. All these kids wrecked. Oh, piggy bank. Oh, dices. Boom, bitch. Oh, there's a chest up there.
I think we should stay together.
Huh? Huh? What'd you say, dude?
I think we should stay together, you know, next time.
Why? Cause you admit you suck?
Being alone with a bunch of
I got it.
Yes.
God damn it, dude. Toxic centipede.
Yeah, that's a good item.
I know it is. Alright, dude. Next level. You have 2 reds. You better not die.
Yeah, 2 reds, that doesn't really help my situation.
It's still a red, dude. They're OP.
No.
I get the next 3 reds because you took 2. That were both going to be mine.
How did I get the second red? That's what I don't know.
Click enter because a centipede got onto you instead of me. Oh, I mean the magma worm. Infected Madaga. Get wrecked. Boom. It took us so long to kill that one guy together.
Yeah.
Cause you're... Oh god. Behind us. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, dear lord. Yeah! It's infected, dude.
You should attack my turret and not me.
No, well, he attacked you instead of turrets. Come on, do I have enough? Yeah. Did you see that? It just got like health back. Like, come on. Why? Why you gotta be so magic? Don't you know I'm rude too? Infected. Oh, some guy I saw just went woo! I don't know why, but he did it. He was like, woo! You ready to see some tomatoes? Na, 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 na.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get a chest, dude. Fuck the police. Yeah, I got him. Will you die, please? You're too strong, dude. This guy is so fat. Virus. You're infected. Oh, God.
Oh, fine, mate.
We keep getting those blighted little fucks.
He's
Chance to
right
attach a
behind
bomb
me.
to enemies. Alright. Yeah, you want to kill him and get a red? Just get him, dude. He's weak. Look at how
I
weak
don't
he
have
is.
mines.
Look how weak he is. He don't do shit, balls and tricks. Bananas and boats. Bananas and boats. Bananas, he didn't drop shit. Thank you, game. You give 2 reds to my friend, but you don't give 1 fucking white to me. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. You know, sometimes you just gotta stand up, and this is not one of those moments. This is the moments where you sit the fuck down. Because the game just wrecked you. Alright. Why is it not fucking dying?
I think it
That's
would
my
be better
question.
if you had the sniper scope.
Yeah, it would have been better! Don't
I
you
mean,
think?
it helps with, you know, turrets and everything.
Oh my god. We still have the teleporter? Yeah, get the teleporter! Oh, you lagged. I lagged. We lagged. What? No! I fell. Oh well. I'm not complaining that I fell. Another fucking ATG missile? Really?
Well, I'm
That's like my
chilling up
4th.
here.
Great, Bitterroot. Second one. Cause you're my... Oh yeah! Guess what I got?
I don't know.
Explorer's key.
Explorer's key.
Unlocks all chests in vision. Boom.
Oh, that.
Oh, I missed. Yeah. Wait, does it stop me from unlocking chests? I think it do. Ooh! Run! GB run! Django! Yeah. Whoo. He. Who. Huh. Huh. Yeah. You will die. They died. So what if I...
No.
Hold on. Great. You know what the best combo in this game is?
I don't know.
Sniper and Enforcer, dude. They're both from the SWAT.
Not really, but I see what
Yes! Do not deny it. I will fuck you up. Wait, do you know how to get over here?
you mean. Yeah.
Like, no. Like to this chest.
I don't know.
Maybe there's a way.
Wait, I have an idea.
Well,
What
you
if
better make it fast, because I'm
I go
dying.
down here,
And then you go around?
and then never mind.
And then
Doesn't
never
work.
mind, yeah. Maybe... I think I know what to do. Look. We'll find it out, dude. Don't worry.
I mean, I could look the wiki, but I don't really have time right now.
I mean, just look at the wiki and get on the road. Duh. Okay, that didn't work. Hey! Hey! What? What just happened? Oh well, I'm back here. I don't know how. Wait, my boomerang goes through. Does this mean that Illuminati is confirmed?
Nope.
Oh shit, dude. Oh! I will live to tell my tale. The dipping motherfucker. Hold on. You should go look at the wiki. I kind of want to get that chest. Okay, there's not a path. Oh.
Okay, I can look it up.
Alright, do it.
Let's go.
I can beat this imp without him even damaging me.
I mean, you know, as long as you cover me, I'm fine.
Yeah, dude, I'm totally covering you.
Okay.
Golden pistol, money in the bank. Where are you again? Oh shit, dude. Run. Alright, let's just see what's in it. Oh, it's not even that good. I found it!
I see.
I think I found
You
it.
did?
Look, there's something here. Look. Jump here, you can get into the game.
Thermal. What the hell's thermal harpoon? Oh wait, that's my thing. Never mind.
Dude. Did you look it up? Get it. Come on, it's gonna disappear.
I'm looking it up. For me, it doesn't tell me poop.
What are you doing? You're doing it wrong.
I'm looking at it.
I think you need a hobo
Videos.
feather.
Some people told me that you need like the photon jetpack.
Well, fuck it, we don't have that.
Of course.
Die, faggots. Oh god, I might just die as well. Oh, never mind. Got it!
You
All
got
right.
it.
You ain't got shit on me, little bitch. Yeah. Whoa.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, hold
You can
on!
teleport.
Huh?
Can you teleport through the wall? You go there and you teleport.
Question is, can I? I don't know, hold on. No, I tried that before, I just fell. You mean like going beside the wall and just teleporting in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I tried that before. God damn it,
Fine,
Mike.
We're on insane.
Yeah,
Marvel.
because you're insane, badooms.
No,
Actually, it's impossible.
Fine.
This is impossible for you to be this insane. Ha 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 ha.
Lost doll.
Let me get that. Da-da!
It's
Is it inactive?
pretty much. Yeah.
That is OP as fuck. But I'm
It's
not picking up piggy bank. No. Piggy bank is my shit, dude. If you pick one more up, I'll punch you. In 2 weeks.
Wow.
You want to know why in 2
when we
weeks?
go back to school?
No, hold on. I gotta use some gold.
Oh, lens. Those are good.
Let's see what's done here.
That's the artifact.
I know. Badoom. Dude. We just wasted so much time. I'm dead.
Even though I already have it.
That was the greatest stretch of my life. The fuck? Oh.
Okay, so the lost doll, it deals me damage, but it can insta-kill an enemy.
Yep.
So that's...
and it deals a quarter of Providence health.
Oh, nice.
And it one-shots anything else. Oh, yeah! This my map!
Wait, do you have the golden gun?
I do.
Okay. Do you have the music on? Or?
Nope. It's just our boring voices. Oh, well, that's not as bad as I thought. Kind of scared me for a second there. Dibs. Yeah. Cause you... What the fuck is that thing? Can you explain to me what this is?
I don't know. It's
It's like a giant fucking blob.
well, that's what it is.
It's like a mini blob. Dude, it splits in half. It splits in four... What? No! There's so many of them. And they split into like 5. I'm kind of... What the hell? There's like 10! Stop. Spawning, please.
I got you.
They're so goddamn it. Do they do any damage at all? Oh god. Fuck yes they do. Are you sure you got me, dude? Oh. I have no clue what to do. No. It's all like... Oh god, dude.
Okay,
We
we
should
need to
get
get
out
out of here.
of here. Get to the teleporter! Oh, dude, there goes my health. The teleporter's right here, by the way. Get some chests. Get it? Oh!
Mm-hmm.
No! I made it. Ah!
Help me!
I will! Just wait! Yeah.
Okay, I got my turrets.
I have to help myself before I help you. Parkour. No! I was never good at parkour. I'm a disappointment. Yeah. Alright, parkour. Yeah. Alright, parkour. Did it. Made it. Loved it.
Well, can you help me? I have low health.
I have low health too, dude. We're all in the low health situation.
Parkour.
And
I failed the parkour.
is this medic drone? Ah! I get juked. I just juked an AI. I'm so proud of myself.
Oh god.
Come on, give me an item.
Oh god.
Give me an item.
There's so many
I give
birds.
up. Huh?
I'm dead.
No! What the fuck? Ah! So many bats. Try playing on drizzle mode. Risk of rain. Rain, drizzle. Oh, he's gone. There's a lot. There is legitimately a million. Oh shit, I think I'm in trouble. Teleport! I love my life! Come on, don't take it! Leave. I'm alive. It's a miracle. Oh god. Come on, go. Yeah. Alright, that did it with some of them. Now I need to find out a way to just heal. There has to be a chest somewhere. That is not cool at all. You guys want to know how to get, like, a fucking artifact? Just go, like, here. And then go, like, huh. Oh. Yeah. Command. Boom. I got it. Ah! I didn't die. Oh, it stuck a bomb. Yo, die, please. Come on, man. That's not cool. Rockets are mean. Yeah, that's one down. Another one. Bat-da-da. And another one's gone. Another one's... God damn it, dude. Jacob's gone as well. I don't know what to do. I'm bored. Maybe I could... I'm coming for you. Yeah. Oh, come on, man. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, God! I nearly got sniped, dude. Whew. Yeah! Got some! Come get some. Alright. I might be able to win this, actually. Alright, wait. That means the Imp Overlord is, like, over here. Hopefully he drops a red. Red would be... Goodbye. Dingo says goodbye as well.